So what is going on, guys? In the last lecture we've created our registration function and we have added the username input actually right here and edit this. Instead of anchor tag we have created it as a button type submit. So in this lecture we're going to display errors right here for the validation. Maybe the first name we have to make it don't be less than 3 characters or something like that, and not more than maybe 15 characters, and display our errors right here in the very beautiful alert. And so let's check that out. Okay, so at the first we have to assign our minimum and maximum values into variables to recall it here in our if statement. Okay, so we have to add the minimum value, maybe 4 characters, and the max value we have to make it I don't know, maybe 15 characters. Okay, so let's check that out. We have to check for the first name if it's less than 4 characters or more than 15. We have to display an error. Okay, so let's say if we have a very beautiful method in the PHP which check for the string length. It's called strlen, and let's say the first name we have to check for it is less than 4 characters, which is the minimum value. Okay, we have to echo an error. Let's use the Bootstrap for alerts. We have to type div class alert, maybe danger or warning. Okay, so what we have to do is display our message right here in our div. Okay, let's say your first name has to be more than the minimum value. Okay, so let's check that out. But first we have to call our function in our register form. Okay, we have to call it right here. Let's open a PHP tag and put it right here. So let's check fastly, 4 characters. Okay, let's check that out. Let's say AHM for example. One, two, three. Okay, so we have here your first name has to be more than 4 actually characters. Excuse me, characters. Okay, so let's do the same thing for the last name and username actually. Okay, let's say here last name, your last name, and let's check for the user name. So let's check it out. Let's say Chum. So let's register. Okay, we have here our errors. Okay, so in the next lecture we are going to use a very beautiful method. We are going to create an array for the errors and get rid of this. We have to type only this. Okay, and in the next lecture we will do something like that. Error message will equal to this. Okay, I think it's beautiful than this. Okay, so see you in the next lecture and try to create this array yourself, and I will create it at the first of the next lecture. Okay, so see you in the next lecture, my dear student.